Okay, so last meeting I gave you a quiz that was quiz number 5, and most of you failed in that examination. I was hoping that you are going to watch the YouTube videos uh, and also search the sinusoidal wave or sine wave at the YouTube engine. But apparently, hanyo nga naawatan unay. Okay? Now, na madali lang naman yung kamali ninyo, imbis na ginamit ninyo yung degrees sa calculator, yung radians, imbis na radians ang gamitin nyo na mode ng calculator ninyo, degrees yung ginamit ninyo. Magkaiba kasi yung degrees at saka radians. Okay? So, pag-aralan muna natin yung waveform ng sine wave or sinusoidal wave. So, y here as a function of time is equal to A, which is the amplitude or the peak value of the peak value of y plus phi, okay, angle phi. Now, phi here is the phase shift. Ano ba yung phase shift? Okay, kung ito, yung phase niya dito is 0 degrees. Okay? Pag nauna, that means leading, kakanan ka rito. Ayan. Dito siya mag-uumpisa. Pag lagging naman, dito siya mag-uumpisa. Ayan. Continuous yan hanggang infinity. Okay? Now, for the angular velocity, we usually use radians or we use omega here, which is equal to 2 pi f. Okay? Where f is the frequency and pi is equal to 180 degrees. Now, paano ba kino-convert ang radians sa degrees? Yan. Pag gumamit kayo ng radians, iset ninyo yung calculator ninyo sa radians mode. Okay? Pag degrees naman ang ginamit ninyo, siyempre degrees. So let's see the relationship between radians and degrees. So pi is equal to 180 degrees. So 2 times 180 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. So 2 pi radians is equal to 230 degrees. So you divide both sides of the equation by 2 pi. Ang matitira dito is 1 radians is equal to 360 divided by 2 pi. Pi is equal to 3.1416. So that will now be equal to 57.3 degrees. So 1 radian is equal to 57.3 degrees. So if you are computing in radians at nakakita kayo ng degrees, convert yung degree to radians and use your calculator in radians mode. Magkaiba yung radians at saka degrees, magkaiba yung value nila. So here, kung makita mo yung format nito, itong equation na ito, dito sa binigay kong equation sa quiz ninyo, A here is equal to 200 plus seat number. Now, if seat number is equal to 0, A, which is the amplitude, is equal to 200. So, ibig sabihin yung 200 na yan, yung banda rito, yung pinakamataas. Take note that a sinusoidal wave is not constant. It varies with time. Yeah. If time is equal to dito, sa pi, pi over 2 ito. Pi over 2, this is pi. This is 2 pi. This is 3 pi over 2. So pi here, pi over 2 here is equal to 90 degrees. Kaya pag tignan mo yung sine ng 30 degrees, it is equal to 1. Yeah. Pag kinuha mo naman yung sine ng pi using radians, ganun din yun, pi over 2. Pag kinuha mo yung sine of pi over 2 sa radians, magiging 1 yun. Okay? Pag dito naman, sine of 180 degrees using degrees mode of your calculator, that will be equal to 0. In the same manner, you get the sine of pi sine of pi using radians, that will also be equal to 0. Sine of 2 pi, 0 yun sa radians. Sine of 360 degrees is 0. Sine of ano ito? Anong degree ito? 180 plus 90. 180 plus 90 is 270. Okay? Sine of 270 degrees is negative 1. Sine of 3 pi over 2 is negative 1. Okay, so it changes with time. Now here, if we are going to solve now, eto. Yung 1 ninyo, isolve ninyo. Ito yung binigay kong equation sa inyo. Time is equal to 0.1. This is 0.1 times 300 is 30. Sine of 30 in radians times 200, that will be equal to negative 197.6. Saan ba yun? Kasi tandaan ninyo, time is equal to 0.01. Ito yung 0.01 mo, 0.1 mo. This is 0.1. So pag yung sinusoidal wave mo nag-progress hanggang dito, lalagpas ng konti ito. Because may 1 kasi dyan sobra ng konti. Okay? So, asan ba yung negative 0.197 nandito? So, yung value ng waveform mo at time is equal to 0.1 seconds, nandito siya, negative, kasi pababa. Now, for letter B here, yan, 0.01 times 300 is equal to 3. So, 200 times sine of 3, that will be equal to 28.22. Now, saan ba yan? Time is equal to 0.01. Di ba yung 0.01 mo is here? Kasi kung 1, asan ba yung point? This is 0.1. So, 0.01 mo, 1/10 of that. So, nandito siya. Nandito siya. So, kung tingnan mo yung value ng waveform mo dito, this is, dito bandang dito is, that is equal to 28.22. Okay? Now, let's now go to, ito, yung waveform natin. Ayan. So, paano ba natin i-drawing? Ito. So, kung tignan mo dito, this is V plus 200 plus seat number. Kung yung seat number mo is 0, so ibig sabihin, itong pinakamataas niya diyan is 200. Pag yung seat number mo is 10, ito, this is 210. Okay, that is the peak value. Now, eto naman, this is V is equal to 200 times sine of 300t. Ito yan. Wala siyang 30 degrees. Kaya 0 siya dito sa mag-umpisa sa 0. Ngayon, that is positive 30. So, ibig sabihin, plus 30, nauna siya ng 30 degrees. So, dapat aabante ka dito ng 30 degrees. Pag ganun naman, umatras. Kasi that is with respect to time. As time progresses, agpakas dyan. Dito'y, 0 dito'y. So, dito naman, history yan, history. This is before. Now, pwede naman na i-convert mo ng radians ito. So here, multiply mo siya ng 1 radians divided by 57.3 degrees. So ito yung mangyayari. Now, if you are going to express it in terms of pi, i-multiply mo siya ng pi divided by 3.1416. Pi divided by 3.1416 is equal to 1. So that will not vary the value of this one. Kasi 1 nga lang. Any value multiplied by 1 is the number itself, di ba? So, i-divide mo yan. So, 0.16 pi. Yan. So, basta, this is 180 degrees. Medyo mahirap kasing i-visualize pag radians. Okay? So, kung i-drawing mo yung waveform na ito, aatras ka lang 30 degrees because that is positive 30 degrees. Aatras ka ng 30 degrees dito. Or around 0.16 of pi. Yung pi mo dyan, yung half cycle mula rito. So, 0.16, mga dito ka mag-umpisa. Okay? Yan. So, yan na yung waveform mo. Di ba? Okay, now, kung gusto mo, compute mo muna yung period dito. What is now yung time mula rito hanggang doon? So, para computein mo yun, paano mo malalaman yung time? It takes for 1 cycle. Ito, mula rito hanggang doon. Ano yung time niyan? Or, we call it the period. Okay? So, kung tingnan mo rito, ito, omega is equal to 2 pi f times, that is 2 pi f. Okay? So, that will now be equal to 300. So, we can now solve for f is equal to 300 over 2 pi. So, as we solved a while ago, magiging ano yan, 47.74 cycle per second. Now, if you are going to get the reciprocal, ito magiging 47.74. Now, period now, as before, we have computed before, period is equal to 1 over f. That is 1 over divided by 47.74. That is equal to 0.021 seconds. So it takes 0.021 seconds for one revolution or one cycle. So this is equal to 0.021 seconds. So that is now your waveform. Okay? Medyo nagabante siya dito ng 30 degrees or 0.16 pi radians. Okay. Ito naman yung madali. Akala ko may makukuha nyo na ito. Pero hindi pa rin. So pag voltage sources nakakabit ng series, pagpaplasin mo lang sila. Pare-parehas lang naman yan na 0.5 plus seat number. Now, if your seat number is equal to 0, that will be equal to 0.5 times 6. Okay? That will be equal to 3 volts. Now here, this is a little bit tricky. Pag nakaparallel kasi ang dalawang voltage source, parehas lang. Pag mong pagplasin yan, parehas. Now, 1.5 plus seat number. Now, if your seat number is equal to 0, that will be 1.5. Pag naka-series, pag-plusin mo. So, 1.5 plus 1.5, your answer will be 3. Okay? Yan. So, yung kamali lang naman ninyo, yung simple lang. Sinabi ko naman sa inyo sa quiz ninyo, use radians in your calculator. Paano ba gagamitan ng radians ang calculator? Pag pumunta kayo rito, nako, napindot ko. Okay na. Wala na. Ay, sige. Pag nasa radians kayo, paano ba yung calculator? Calculator. Ito yung calculator ko. So, radians, ito yung radians. O, sin 30 degrees. So, ito yung radians. So, makita nyo yan, nagpapalit-palit. Huwag nyo gamitin yung degrees. Okay? Huwag nyo gamitin yung degrees. Gamitin yung radians. So, palitan natin yung radians yan. So, for example, sin 30, ayan, radians yan. Yan lang gamitin ninyo, radians, hindi degrees. Kasi mali na yun. Pag ginamitan mo ng degrees, kailangan radians. Okay, thank you.